In a fillet weld, the direct shear stress and bending tensile stress are 50 megapascal and 150 megapascal respectively. So they have given two type of stress. One is direct shear stress and another is bending tensile stress. We have to find out the equivalent stress. So shear stress, I am giving notation Q is equal to 50 MPa and our bending is FB is equal to, it is 150 MPa. Now they are asking us to find out equivalent stress. So just we have to apply the formula. Fe is equal to under root FB square plus 3Q square. Again just FB square is 150 under root 150 square plus 3 into 50 square. Okay, so directly we will get answer also in terms of megapascal. Okay, so just if you calculate it, you will get the answer 173.21 MPa. So fillet weld is designed for the equivalent stress of this much amount, 173.21 MPa. Okay, thank you very much.